G'day everyone, Ali here. Well, the other day I used this We Are Memory Keepers paper pad, and it's a beautiful paper pad with embossed images on it. And I didn't realise that the embossed images are actually rose gold. So I didn't have any rose gold, but I went and bought some rose gold and just wanted to have a play around with my ink and the powder that I've bought and with sentiments. So it's beautiful paper. I did make a card the other day using this beautiful butterfly. It's absolutely gorgeous. Sorry for the glare. So I'm just having a play. So I've got some sentiments here, and I got these ones from AliExpress. So I thought they were a really good range of sentiments. So and I've just got some white cardstock here. Now I did think of using some Black Onyx VersaFine ink and putting this over the top to see if it will stand out in the rose gold, because I do want like a bit of black in the background, and today I'm just having a bit of a play. So let's I'll just get a stamping block. So I've got a stamping block. I'll just grab one of these images. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so I think I'm just going to do this happy birthday one here. I think I'm just going to grab that one. So this is the Avery L Rose Gold Metallic Embossing Powder, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. Just peel that up, just in readiness. Right. And like I said, today I just wanted to just really just have a bit of a play, really, with it. So just make sure that's inked up. It's a pretty sentiment, actually. Just going to heat set that. Isn't that pretty? So I've got a little bit of black showing through there as well, which I'm not too bothered about because I think that ties it all in. So I've also got some rose gold ink as well, so I'll see how that goes. First of all, I'm going to use VersaMark and then put this on as well. So get this all nice and juicy. Oops, a bit of black came through. I've got a dirty pad, so it's okay though. Oops. I'll just heat set that. So that's the VersaFine. Okay, I think I'm going to just use this with this here, and just to see if it has any different intensity to the rose gold. This is absolutely a gorgeous colour. Be beautiful for a wedding card, birthday card. Okay. And you can see it comes out a bit of a pink colour. Once again, just heat set that. Okay, so it's probably put a bit more shimmer down, I think. So yeah, really pretty that is. Okay, now I'll just clean my stamp. Actually, no, I'm not going to clean my stamp off. I'll just get rid of this, because what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to get my clear embossing powder. So this is my go-to. Okay, so I'm going to stamp it with the rose gold again. Okay, and just see how using the ink with the rose gold turns out. So it's a nice juicy little cube, this one. I only got a little cube because I don't think I'll use this all that much. So I'll just pop that over here. Just like that. Go and just so that is just using the ink pad. Okay, so they're the different embossing powders and inks that I've used with the rose gold colour. So I'm going to put that up on my wall actually, and I'll just write next to it what I did so I can get the same effect. So just going back to the butterfly one, got that at the front here, so that would tie in really well, I think, with that. I do like that because a bit of black is actually showing through. So that's my little experiment for today, using the rose gold ink pad and also the Avery Elle rose gold metallic this is. So I really do think I'm going to use a lot of this. So I am glad that I bought that. And also using in conjunction with VersaFine, and I use the VersaMark Ink as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this and given you some idea on how to use embossing powders and ink pads together. Till next time, happy crafting. See ya!